So we had a major interruption in the transmission. My wife came crazy that she needed some documents from the school of the kids for other parents, and so I had to make a pause. I have to fix this because this trading thing is an emotional thing, right? And if you get these kind of distractions, and I'm not going to trade anymore today. Um, I helped her, she's gone, but now I just can't. The time where I do things like this is just passing by. Today was a little bit slow. Um, so the only thing left is to see what can we do with the trades that we entered. So let's see, we entered GBP and CD, we entered Euro and CD, those were buys. We sold CAD CHF, and that's it. So we are risking 0.3% of the account, and now we are just going to try and see how we can manage our trades. Of course, I usually like having more trades open, 6 or 10, so that the odds go in our favor and we are able to even though we experience some losses, we can get some winnings. Um, so it has been, I think this can be helpful to learn, right? I have to speak to my family and make sure they understand what we are doing. They cannot interrupt me. I have my office in my house. That sucks so badly. If you wanna do this, you have to get away from home like a normal job where my wife is a doctor, right? I cannot just go to the hospital and say, hey, you need to print something right now, right? If she's talking to her boss or I don't know, helping a pregnant woman to stabilize her heart, um, how do you call it? Your heart rate, whatever it is. So she just cannot come to my office and tell me the director of the school needs something right now. I don't know how to communicate this to her. So unless I fix this, it's gonna be difficult, right? And if I tell her no, then that will be a big marital problem, and then it's difficult for me to say no. So I had to interrupt the transmission. I even stopped the broadcasting by accident, so I had to open a new one. So now when I post things on YouTube, I don't know how to name the two broadcasts. I think it's going to be part one and part two, I guess. GBP is going up nicely, but the earnings are not. So probably something is going south, or something is just doing a rebound. Thankfully, Euro NCD and GBP NCD just are rocketing to our bias. Of course, that's for the time being. That's what price is doing right now. This thing that happens to my wife today is not always happening, but of course, it sucks. Right now, the channel has 10 followers, but of course, when we have 200k followers who are just learning from us in real time, then of course I will not allow this kind of interruptions. But so far, because this is getting started and my family doesn't believe in it yet, um, they don't get to understand what is going on. But that's okay. I have to be patient with them as they have been patient with me. So far, GBP and CD, we like what it is doing. I think our stop loss is below that lower low. Is it? No, I don't think so. No, no, no. Our stop loss is not here. Our stop loss is probably here. Just and not either. Not either. I think our stop loss is just we are just trying we our system is we are just buying on a crazy places where we don't need so much stop loss. Of course we have experienced losses, right? Um so far I think it's okay. It's kind of we had started with a negative result, right? And so this could be just um, it could be just a momentary rejection of price. Of course, we like what is going on. We were right. GBP and CD is a pair that if you are wrong, um, price immediately lets you know that you made a mistake. I don't know yet why we entered there. It's 0.786. Yeah, yeah, we entered here this position because of this alteration in volume, right? So now our hope is that price is going to be able to break this retest and then keep its way up. Um, this was a nice rejection in price, then it was a higher high, then it broke. Then this one was a nice hit to the upside. Well, look at this candle though. This should be so strong if price was going to go up. Let me just close the window. Close the window. Okay. That's all right. Um, so I don't like this. This was uh, unfortunate. For this candle to be correct, this volume has to be very high. So it was an immediate reaction of the quarter point, but usually we have volume on those. Then of course this was nice. This was okay. This was okay because it had volume. It had nice wicks. Had nice rejection. It could have been just because of the 0.618 psychological Fibonacci entry. Um, so many things can be going on in this period actually right now. So we're just gonna wait. We're positive for the time being. Today we had a major interruption in our transmission and inner trading. Um, CAD CHF is kind of slow. We sold, but then it's having a major pullback over entry. Of course, not even TP1 was hit. Stop loss is well placed. I remember I didn't like because I was confused on what level we were trading at. Actually, it was a stop loss of previous days, which we took profit before it hit stop loss. Right? If you watched the video before, but this I'm not so positive on this one because even though it's doing an M, it's not doing it at the place where we want it, right? CHF. So that blue line is the stop loss that I put on Friday. We took profit about 10:45, I think. Or I don't know. And then it came back and probably hit the stop loss, but the entry is here at the quarter points or at in the half and half of two quarter points. So that is what is saving us right now from that. And the reason why I let the trade open, if even if it didn't get to the level it should, is because price is getting some wicks, some nice. This candle, I love this candle in 45 minutes, the largest. So lots of things happening here. I think this is educational. Maybe that's the only thing we have left. Sure. Oh, I mean, you're not watching this one. You're watching this. Let me just switch what screen you're watching. Difficult things to go off if you have to manage having your office in your house. But okay, come on, focus. So this is education. Look what is happening in this pair. This candle was, look at this. This is similar in volume to these two, but it got smaller than this. So this volume bar should have been smaller than this one. Then what we have is a very large volume candle, very large candle. Let me see if I can do kind of a better drawings. This sucks. Let me see a rectangle, right? So look at this candle right here. This one, right? What's happening with this one? This one is the tallest candle, right? But look at the wick it has. So because it's kind of at the same wick of this one with also strong volume, our bias is that price wants to go back right there. Of course, this is not a psychological point as of strategy is saying. Our strategy is just go ahead and enter at these places, right? At these places. There is a reason behind this. Um, I just entered on a sell by mistake because I used to have my color points drawn and painted blue. So when I saw this, after so many years doing those colors, I was like, oh yeah, it's at the place where it should be sold, right? Anyway, I realized the mistake quick, but then I said, you know what? Let's keep the trade open because it's a nice place to try to do an M at least for a short period of time, which is what I usually do. I trade for a short period of time. Of course, some things are going south now. I think it is just GBP and CD. Wow, GBP after it exploded to the upside at our entry, it just came back. I wish we could have 6 or 10 trades so that the edge will be helping us, but now this is what we have, and I'm not gonna enter any more trades because today was an emotional day with a major interruption in the broadcast. So when what Mark Douglas says, it says you shouldn't trade because all the results of your trading are from your emotions. Can I see Kindle here? Or no? Do I have the Kindle app in the computer? Let me see if it's gonna open nicely. So I have it on the Kindle and on the cell phone. It has been a long time since I don't open it in the Mac. We are currently on page 299, the most recent ratings Android device on 11. Let's go to where it remembers that we are at. So I want to show you something from Mark Douglas, right? Let me see. Let me just see. Okay, this is trading in the sun, and what I want to say is something that I read that spoke about the trader state of your mind. How you used to say that? Let me just see that if you will. Yeah, I think I set the broadcast to show you all the screens, right? I don't know why it's not. Yeah, the book is up there. Um, but let me just try to remember that, right? Let me just do. Can we do this state of mind? Let's search for the word mind. Um, no, it's not. Um, let's see. Here we go. Right? Oh, come on. Let me maybe increase the size of the layers. Okay. All right. So it says Mark Douglas is talking about the reasons why he wrote the book, and those are 5 bullet points. 5 reasons why he wrote the book, the Trading in the Sun book. And the important one that I want you to focus on right now is the second thing. He says, to convince the trader that it's his attitude and state of mind that determine his results. I want to say it in the same page though, so I'm going to do the letters a little bit smaller so that we have it in the same. This is what I'm showing to you right now. Let's see if we can just um, the screenshot of it so that um, it's cleaner, right? So what Mark Douglas is saying is this is what he's saying. Let's see if we can make it up. To convince the trader that it's his attitude and state of mind that determine his results. So Mark Douglas teaches 5 things. I mean, not teaches 5. He has 5 main reasons why he wrote Trading in the Sun. And one of those reasons was to convince the trader that it's his attitude and state of mind that determine his results, that determine his results. So after my wife came and interrupted the transmission, and she came and needed something urgent from school, I stopped trading. I cannot say no to her because we are going to have an argument, so I stopped. That's very bad because in my system, I have to execute many trades so the edge is in my favor. After you execute so many trades, then the edge, the probability comes into your favor. Just like the casinos, right? They want more people at the casino betting and betting and betting because they know they have an edge. After a serious amount of transactions, the casino ends on top. That's what I do, but today, after a major interruption, I had to stop. I'm not blaming my wife, I'm not blaming anyone. It is me that I haven't been able to establish those kind of limits, right? Of course, my wife doesn't believe in this yet. This is just getting momentum. There are 10 subscribers in the channel. Why should she believe in this? There is no reason why she should believe in this. 10 subscribers. That's nothing, right? I think when this thing has 100K subscribers, when she drives, the Cadillac, and when she's on vacation in Hawaii, then she will understand that she cannot interrupt the trading. But until that doesn't happen, I cannot blame on her anything, right? So this is kind of the price that we traders do. Many master educators and people who have reached, you know, some financial freedom because of the markets. Many of them have a background of divorce because, it's stressful, right? I'm trying to build this company. I'm trying to do this. I already was helping with the kids and stuff all morning because at 9 a.m. UTC minus 6, I sit down in front of the computer and do the magic, right? So I could have started a big argument right now, but I just cannot. I have a family, I have 3 kids. Um, I have to endure to the end and I have to believe in my system. I cannot obligate my family to believe if I don't have those things for them yet. I think I am in the moment where things are getting great. The system is just making sense. The risk is okay. I mean, we are risking the amount of money that we are allowed to risk. These new proprietary firms are crazy, right? They are amazing, they are awesome, but they allow very small drawdown. So because of that, many traders like me who used to blow on accounts because of taking risk to stupid levels. Now those proprietary firms make you have a better conscience, a better, you know, execution of your trades so that your stop loss is what it should be. It's gonna be very nice today to see the result of today. I think we are still alive on our 3 trades. The only one negative is GBP and CD, but the 2 of them that are positive, everything could still go wrong because it's now 10:38. So let's look at the system right now to see what is the system saying right now as of where should we get off, Where should we get knocked off? Of course, we could. Um, this thing is if we had entered or 6 or 10 trades, we just did four, three. We did three. So, um, but what it says is, well, the best possible scenario is going up right away, which we did actually. We got between zero point 0.2 or 0.5%, and I think I want to change this to zero point 0.3 because of everything that we covered in the last video. So let me see how much is zero point 0.3. We started trading today with oh, come on. We started with a balance of um, 81 237 $38, right? That was equal to 100%. And then today at some point we saw $100, um, $100 income, right? You remember that? So um, let me see how much is $100 on the account. Um, let's open up the calculator, and we see 81K, 238. Give me just 1 second. Give me just 1 second. My wife just came and she needs something from me. All right. All right, I'm back, and of course, same issue now. The keys of the car are inside of the car, so my wife was pretty busy and crazy, and then left the keys inside of the car. So she now came to get my car, so she has to go to some building of the government to get some document for the children. Um, I have to go to fix the issue to try to get the keys of the or my wife's car. Um, but I have to be here, so um, I think she's going to try to come back before 12, so I can take her to her work, and then try to go back and try to. Then I have to take care of the kids, get them from school. So this is real, right? This is what live trading is. Um, this is live trading. This is live trading. I just hope I could show you my face, but I don't know what it is. Um, the other day I took it away, and then since then I haven't been able to see. I'm sharing like my camera, right? But I don't see where I am. I don't know how it went away, and I haven't been able to leave it back. So if somebody's watching this and you know how to get trading you to show my camera, I would appreciate it. So I have no idea. I just have no idea where to get it from. This thing is saying camera is being broadcasted, but when I see this, I just I'm sharing the entire screen, but where is my live camera? I don't know, I'm sorry for the mess, but that is what live trading is about. And you just have to understand what we are doing. We are doing live trading, truly live trading, showing the entries, showing the broker open, doing it every day consistently. So today was a very difficult day, but I was like, hey, I cannot stop. I am building something amazing. This thing is going to be having so many subscribers because I have not seen one YouTuber trading every day, no stop, no pretext, no trouble. Like, hey guys, we're not trading today. I'm on vacation. Hey guys, we're not trading today. I have an event at school. Hey guys, I will not do live tradings. I will just post the videos of the trades that go right. And of course, you will never see the videos that I go wrong. That is not what we are doing in this channel. That's why I believe this channel is going to break so many things in terms of how um, live trading is about. I have done my research and I have not seen live trading with the broker open being shown. I think because the channel is very young and 10 subscribers only, I think I have not been able to. I think there must be some things I have to write a disclaimer and the responsibility thing where you're not supposed to do the same thing I'm doing and things like that, right? I think it's is coming because now with the channel getting momentum and every time every video a subscriber gets in, also in TradingView more subscribers coming. And so I think the only problem here is that it's already 10:50. Oh yeah, I was showing you the system, right? I was showing you this. It says that by 10 or 11 we're out with 0.3%. So we were just you in the calculator. I just remember um, what how much is $100. Um, so 100 times 100 divided by 81k 238. So 0.12% we were winning, right? So the only problem with that is why are we willing to win so little and risk more? Because today the cumulative risk was probably zero point 0.4. We were risking 0.44%. So if $100 is 0.12, then zero point 0.4 is probably $400, right? So if everything goes wrong, if we lose every trade of today, we will be losing $400, 0.4% of the account, right? So if everything were to go wrong today, we will be losing $400. So why to get out with just $100? That's 4.4 lose, zero point 0.1 win. So we will never win the markets if we are not willing to let our trades open a little bit longer. GBP NCD is just kind of coming and going on our entry. That's very bad because in the small time frame of 15M, it just did a lower low, lower high. So of course it could be coming here actually. Um, right. The reason why we are buying is because price couldn't break this, couldn't break here, couldn't break here, went up, and then here it broke this this lower low. It broke right there. So then we were thinking that here could price could keep going up. There are some lines that we would like to see price rejecting. Um, for example, if we select this to extend to the right, right, we want to see this price to reach over there again. Also this, if we were to extend to the right, we would like to see price to come and retest that one. Um, but right now, actually, as things stand out, I think GBP and CD is looking like all it wants is keep doing lower lows. I think I don't know. It could just be keeping this that we were right on Friday. But here I have my yeah. This could happen, but I have hopes that we could be getting there. Let's just see what's going on, of course. Um, okay. So European City could go to hit our stop loss. Thankfully, in short time frames, um, it could be going up. We have nice places. This is our safety of safeguard. This is our shield. This right here is our shield. Price pull reverse right there. And these weeks also are looking promising. Yes. Of course, this also could be good, but our stop loss is already low, higher than 10 pips. Our stop loss is right now 14 pips. If we were to go below that week, it's gonna be 23 pips. It's gonna be a major loss. I think we are betting on. So something hit take profit or something just hit stop loss. Oh no, that sound was because I was adjusting stop loss. Yeah, the program makes the same noise for everything. If you take profit, it makes the same noise. Just stop loss, it makes the same noise. And if you adjust stop loss with the breeze, also, or you enter a position, it makes the same noise. I would like the reverse funding guys to switch that. If you enter a position, one type of noise, of sound. If you move or adjust stop loss to take profits, please make a different sound. If you take profit, if you stop loss, all different sounds. Because if you are trading and you just hear that, you're like, okay, what happened? What took hit stop loss? What hit take profit? Right? So it's live. Welcome to live trading. Today, major issues happening. My wife keeps sending me messages of things I have to print. We have this printer in the house in my office. I think this printer should be somewhere else, but not in my office. Anyway, okay, let's see. So everything is negative now. The CAT CHF trade is negative. Um, I think let's look at 15-minute time frame. That trade, I think that's the trade that we placed by mistake because of the blue line that we had. I think yes, this blue line is a stop loss of Friday. We should enter here or in the middle of those, but not there. Anyway, I already went through the reasons why we left that trade open. Takes a little bit, but let's see Euro NCT also going back. It did go up for a while, I think. But then it just said, well, today you're wrong, and that is fine. Too bad we were not able to enter other positions so that our edge will come alive. But anyway, we just have to wait. I think our system works on a short window of opportunity, and the window of opportunity just passed. It's just 11. By this time, we usually are in profit, and I have to today crazy day. I have to do some stuff. Everything going south. Everything going towards stop loss. Live trading. Good lesson to teach you here. What I used to do was, oh, it's coming to me. Let me move the stop losses. Boom. So that they have more room of probability. Don't do that. Leave it right there. Or something I cannot do right now to show you. Like this, I can put it right, but I cannot just enter more positions and unenter them. But what I used to do was, oh, keep buying, keep buying, keep buying, buy. And I used to say, I will leave the stop loss where it is, but I will enter just more. Because if it goes wrong, goes back without reaching my stop loss, I make a lot of money, right? And yes, when when you're lucky and get positions with the stop loss right here, and then it goes up, you're lucky and you make lots of money, right? But hey, what happens when you're wrong? When you're wrong and you enter so many positions here, this is so much money and it is so devastating. It feels horrible to hit that kind of stop loss. The broker fees, the spread, and the loss, it just swipes your account. And it's very bad to lose a lot because if you lose big next day, you have to do crazy things to try and coming back. So I never do that again. No more, no more, no more setting the stop loss larger size because price is coming towards it, and never over trading more to the upside. Just I never do that again. I just don't do that anymore. I don't. Because when things go right, it's perfect. But once it goes wrong, the account is gone. It's done. Because when you do that, if you're crazy enough to do um, to do this, if you're crazy enough to enter positions here because price is going to stop loss and placing a stop loss here, sometimes after it hit the stop loss, you're like, oh no, but now it's going up. Let's buy more. And yes, sometimes you're lucky and you get it. But when you don't, you can swipe the account in just one day, in 1 hour, in 30 minutes, in 5 minutes. I have done it. And if you're not new in trading the markets, you have done it too. So this is a reminder. Whoever is watching this, we are trading live. trading live, teaching things live. This is the best way to learn because I am teaching from the left of the market. I don't know what's going to happen next. It's easy to tell you, oh, see, you should have bought here because look what price did. Oh, see, this was a double top, double bottom. Here you have to buy. Yeah, that's very easy to do. The difficult thing is to teach when the market has not moved. So if your educator is teaching you things here, if your educator is teaching you, oh, here was to sell because of this, and look at this volume bar. If you get educated of things that already happened, you are losing your time. Look for academies, look for educators, look for YouTubers who teach you things before they happen. Don't learn from the chart already happened. There is nothing to learn here because things are obvious, things already went. Things already happened. You cannot do that to yourself. If you want to learn, just go places where they tell you why they did that, why they are not doing more entries here, why you have to respect your risk, respect your entries, respect what you did. Very nice thing happening today. My wife having major issues interrupting twice the broadcast. And many things I have to do after I finish this live. The car, my wife's car, is in front of my kids' school with the kids inside. My wife took my car to go to get some documents for the kids that the director of the school needs. I have to print them, and so weird. Live trading, live trading, live trading. These are the things that can happen in a live trading event. So when in the first interruption that my wife did, I stopped getting positions because my state of mind reached a point where I was frustrated because I don't want to be interrupted when I am trading the markets, right? I'm trying to build this channel, this company. So so then I was pissed. I was crazy. I knew something was in my heart, some blood pressure getting high. So I was like, no, I'm not going to enter more positions because I respect my mentor, Mark Douglas. I respect my mentor, Mark Douglas. What is the screenshot? Was it a screenshot or a download? What is it? I don't know what it is. When I took a screenshot of the book, right? But I think the Kindle app is going to open where we left it, I guess. Let's just see. Um, yeah, the major reasons why Mark Douglas wrote Trading in the Sun, right? And and here, this is it, right? To convince the trader that it is his attitude and state of mind that determine his results. That's it. Today I had major distractions, so I stopped trading. Didn't take the entries out, didn't take profits right away. No, I let things open that I had opened, but I didn't add more positions because my state of mind had been compromised. And I am not just gonna give money away. I used to do, but not anymore. So I believe in my mentor, Mark Douglas, right? He's dead. I wish I had met him in person. Thank him. Read his book, Trading in the Zone, the best book I have ever read, the most useful. And I think this is the book that is going to help my trading be legendary and this channel to have 1 million subscribers someday. Trading live, teaching live, um, teaching the charts in real time. Never teaching you the charts of yesterday, of the last hour, of the last move. I will never teach that. That you can find many things about that. I want to do this channel only live trading, only teaching people live trading, what is happening in the markets. Euro NCD, um, for the time being, trying to respect that area. Let's see what about our friend GBP NCD is still in the negative. Um, it's going towards the stop loss. Um, we still have some places where we wanted to respect, and it's already a 15 pip stop loss. I don't know if I wanna go all this way or the stop loss right there. I don't think so. Not today. Today, if I had on some trades winning that could pay for this risk, then I could probably move the stop loss over here. But today we couldn't add more positions. So stop loss is going to stay right there. And if price doesn't come back, well, it doesn't come back. And we're going to have a losing day. That's how it's going to be today. CAT CHF, still trying to reverse. Some sellers are trying to get in the market and push price down, but I think um, it's not looking as good. It could this could go down. GPNCT is going right to stop loss. You see Euro NCT. We are buying here. Lower low, lower low, lower low. I think this is also looking bad. Stop loss is well placed. So I think if everything is lost today, we are losing 0.4% of our account, around $400. 0.4% is alright. Things could still go away. But as things stand right now, things are not going the best way possible, and the bad thing is I have to go soon. I will just leave the channel open to see what the market does, and I will try to control the trading from my cell phone. But as of right now, I think we're gonna have to do um, just what the system tells me. The system says that if this didn't happen today, and this didn't happen either because it's already 11, now we just have for the worst possible scenario between turn of one, maybe we will be breaking even, or maybe we will be losing today. Most likely a losing day, but not everything is gone, not everything is lost. Things go the reverse or the way. You can see it's just breaking these little shields that we have. Probably it's going to just keep going to stop loss right now. It just did a strong hit to the downside, very strong. Um, that was beautiful. Um, so I think GBPCD wants to respect this structure. Probably it's going down or stop loss and to the lower low. It was a good trade though because of this, but of course in longer term trend, longer term trend, um, it seems like it wants to keep going down. But I'm so happy I am a different trader now. I used to increase positions when price went against me. I used to do not accept my losses. But today I think it's gonna be losing day. I still have hopes. I'm receiving a phone call from the director of the school. Dígamelo,
Bueno,
director
bueno,
Francisco, buenos días.
mire, tenía la duda de su esposa de si el acta la podía bajar por internet. Me comentan que tienen que ir al ayuntamiento.
Sí, gracias, sí, ella ya está allá. Está allá
Tienen que ir al ayuntamiento, no hay de otra.
Sí,
¿Sale?
está ahí. Muchas gracias, director.
Ándale, señor Abel, ahí estamos en contacto. Gracias, hasta luego.
Gracias a Dios.
Adiós.
All right, this is what live trading looks like. It's live trading. We are doing live trading. It's not as sexy as teaching you the chart when everything already happened. Live trading with its ups and downs. But many good things happened today. I think I want to um, record some of our achievements today, right? Um, Very nice. I want to record this. So let me just try to copy this text. Come on. Okay. Let's see if the text editor is ready. Okay, so today is February 12th. Let me change the color because usually that color is for fundamental things that affect the system. This is just a normal entry. Um, Major achievement today. Um, I had two major distractions on my trading. My wife has some needs going on and had to stop trading and help her. After the issues were partially solved, because I still have to go between meetings in 10 minutes, I took the decision to stop. How do you spell decision? How do you spell decision? Decision. How to write decision? Okay, CS. CS. It's not with a T. Where am I getting that T for? CS. Decisions. A decision. So I took the decision to stop adding more positions. The reason behind that decision is this amazing lesson from my mentor, Mark Douglas, my great beloved and absolutely respected mentor, Mark Douglas. In his book Trading in the Zone, he writes 5 reasons why he wrote the book. 5 things he had in mind, and one of them is the following. And we quote, oh, see, it doesn't let us copy and paste things from Kindle applications, so we're going to write that it by ourselves. To convince the trader that it is his attitudes and state of mind that determine his results. Something like that, right? Let's just see what it really says. To convince the trader that it is his attitude and state of mind that determine his results. I doesn't like it. Attitude. Yeah, we are writing it correctly. Come on, Apple. Why is fine? Anyway, okay. So my state of mind was experiencing so much disruption. I was pissed and, you know, stressed out. since I do not like to be interrupted when trading. So nice to see that I am showing signs of maturity because I think the older me will keep trading in that crazy state of mind and probably will have loan at the account and of course blame my poor wife who is just trying to fix some important things going on in our lives. So nice. Today was nice. Nice learning. Right, nice entry for the journal, right? Do you keep a journal of your days? I do. I love reading this on my spare time. Of course, somehow GPNCD is reversing. Um, we are breaking even and winning. Uh, right now, everything is winning. So we didn't lose today, not win, not lose. So now I'm taking the decision of getting off at break even as the system is um, suggesting, right? Because it is 11:27. It's 11:27, and the system says that 10 or 11 we could be at win, but if by 12 or 1 we are break even or more, we get out. So we just passed the time where we could get within a 0.1% or zero point 0.4, and so I think we could just call it a day, crazy day, um, difficult day. So probably it wouldn't be too crazy just to get out breaking even and then especially it's not breaking even because we were losing $50 when we started the day, so it's even a little bit better than breaking even. Then it's just losing 42 is winning 11. So I think it's gonna be a break even day. I'm hesitant to just break even and I like to just wait a little bit longer. Those prices were taking some positions. Let's see, CAT CHF is kind of, um, CAT CHF is selling right there. GBP and CDs on the verge of maybe keeping up. I think it's hard today. Today is being difficult, but I think it's going to be a great lesson for the viewers. That sometimes just didn't happen. Today we're lucky to go out with little loss, I think. But something in myself tells me, hey, you have stop loss placed. It's just 11:30 a.m. Price respects is respecting somehow these things. Um, Let me just have open or three positions in one screen. Let's just open it or three positions in one screen. But not in here. Not in here. This is the. We have to open them in here. It's just three of them. Let's see them like this. And of course, the CBP and CD. It's cat CHF and Euro NCD. I think we are buying Euro NCD. I will put the buys here and the sells here. So we are buying these two. Okay, receiving a phone call. Sí, bueno. Sí, bueno, bueno. Sí, ¿de parte de quién? All right, we keep going. We keep going. So where are we? Here, right? I want to see the arrows. So we're buying this. We're buying this. And we are selling this, right? Can we have it red? No, that's red. Alright, I think that's what we're doing. Um, um, that's what we're doing right now. GBP CD is breaking up. I don't like cat CHF. And we have hopes on these GBP and CD and Euro NCDs trades. But I think should we lose a get out of break even because right now just life is going to start getting crazier? Or should we just wait and see if we lose? No, I think we are going to break even today. Crazy day. Let's just break even, call it the day. Let's just break even and call it a day, I think. This is live trading. Major issues going on in live right now. My gut tells me to keep things on, my system tells me to break even. See, the problem is this was strong, right? This was strong, right? This foam. This was strong. And then this was weaker, right? So why don't wait until see if price wants to do that strong again? So I think I'm just going to stop loss a little bit. I think so because I just decided to accept a loss if that's going to be um, losing. But if it's going our way, I think this is already 10 pips. This is fine. Things are looking like this. This is the one I don't like actually. I don't like this one though. The formation is making is not sexy, I think. Just have a couple of minutes more. This is nice, but it's just too much. When it rejects, it usually just goes on faster. So I think will just take out the cat pair. I will just take out the cat entries, which which I didn't like it from the beginning too much. Let me just make sure I'm just thinking properly. Um, hmm. Oh, look! Actually, when putting a higher time frame, um, now this bar is nicer. So I might just leave it there. Actually, I might just leave it as it is. Let me see if I can find some confluence with some dynamic lines. Let me see if price wants to go down from a perspective of dynamic lines. This actually, actually, let me just see something. So yeah, I think it could go down a little bit. How much? Oh, it's just little. It took longer to do that. It already took very long. Is it on the dynamics? Uh, Trading, I think I could just test here and keep going. I think this is more likely than this. So I think we are getting off cat CHF. We are not going to accept the loss on cat CHF. We are going to break even on that pair. We're going to break even on that one. And we're just gonna let it go until you can see the I just think it's more probability of going up than down. This formation was slow. Usually these flags, it's kind of flags keep going upside. So I think the system is telling me to break even, and I just want to break even on that pair. So I want to let so let's see what's going on GBP and CD. Of course, if we were going to lose the two trades that I have open right now, it will be a loss of probably 0.2%. So two, around $200 or $300 could be the losing probability of those two pairs. But if they were going to keep going on our direction, um, it will be good, I think. And of course, if they lose, this is just how much many pips, 10 pips. Because I think for a while, we will get them open for a while. See either NCD taking the form of a probability going up. Stop loss is correct at 10 pips. So yeah, $200 loss if this goes back crazily, but I think what price has been showing lately is an intention of keeping going. Now I don't want to see the cat CHF because I took it off already, so I don't like to cry. Oh, dude, I just got out of it and it went my way. I don't care. It's not taking money from me. It's not giving me money. So I will just leave the transmission there. I have to go out to be a father, um, and to be a husband. So I have to leave things like this. Let's see if things go our way. Let's hope. And if not, it's 0.2% loss, which is acceptable. I can accept that. I'm leaving right now. Let me just take out this thing. Microphone. And then I want to get All right, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Um, things are going okay for the time being. I think here MCD is moving nicely on our way. And GBP and CD is taking longer, but I think it's going up too. We're just experiencing a move to the upside as of right now, which is leaving us at a nice place to break even. Now the train is passing by. Today everything is happening. Of course, this is an area. Price is at an area where it could just slow down. It's late. It's already 12. Use it. UTC -6. Um, but yeah, the flow of the market in it looks just bad because price could be just getting ready to make you know lower lows. Um, but I just at least in the short term, Euro NCD is looking promising, and of course that makes the GBP NCD kind of biased to the upside too. Um, I we are going to hope for some confluence to keep going up. I just have 10 more minutes and then I have to go for a long time. For a long time. So I just um, now why GBP and CD is taking so long to go up. It's taking longer than your NCD. The candle just came so right now. Your NCD is a nice W, nicely visible W on small temporalities, nice retracement 0.618. But GBP and CD is looking kind of opposite. Of course, both tradings are on profit as of right now, but GBP and CD is the slow of the pack. Um, anyway, it's it's a difficult, important place, so but I think in 5M both showed nice structure. Of course, this hit is stronger than this, right? So we could see that. Same thing here. So that's what we are hoping for. Thankfully, year NCD is going strong. Euro NCD. I think it's getting close to TP1. And for the sake of break-even stuff, we could take 2 entries off and let one go. To kind of secure a back. It's just the problem is we have to go. And but price is going up or direction. This is going our direction for the time being. And nice W, nice rejection. Price is right at those two strong areas where if price breaks those two areas, little areas, right? Not something too big, but price were to break this, it will be a nice place to take care, to just have probabilities to go up. To go upper. Interesting day. It's very interesting day. At risk, we just have 0.2%. I have 6 minutes. I just got 6 more minutes. I think I'm going to well, both trades have their stop loss placed. Point 2 at risk. Price shown for a nice rejection on these weeks. So let's hope price can break this area. If price break this one, I think we'll be fine. I want price to break that on both pairs. If that is broken, our position is good. Of course, this is a nice place, and this, of course, those are good areas where price gets there, could still keep going up. And now if we get this one to be broken, then that's more stop loss insurance for us because we have these two areas to help us, right? If price comes is able to break those, now they serve as shields to keep going up, right? So they are above our entries, um, and they are being nice to us. So we could be looking for a move to the upside. Careful with these wicks though. These wicks, so first it has to break, then play with this, but of course the probabilities are nice, and Euro NCD is showing the euro is stronger, of course, than the pound. That's why that is taking longer in the pound. But the NCD is weak, and so nice levels. Hopefully, those blue zones are going to serve as shield for our stop loss. Of course, these pairs are crazy at afternoon, so we cannot leave them open for too long. Of course, today those trades will be closed at some point. The printer. What is the printer doing? I'm sorry, guys. All that noise is being made by the printer, and I did not realize it. Wow. I have to get better at this transmission, at this broadcasting. Wow. That sucks. Wow. I have to get better at this transmission, at this broadcasting. That's incredibly annoying for you guys who are trying to watch and learn from these videos and all the things going on. But why I keep listening to it? It's incredibly annoying for you guys who are trying to watch and learn from these videos and what is it? All the things going on. Yeah, it's coming from it, but why? Oh yeah, the video was making that noise too. Hopefully that stops and you guys can enjoy what's going on. Okay, I have to go. Unfortunately, I have to go to get the kids from school. GBP and CD right at that area. Um, it's breaking. There's no real reason to get up. Um, those are areas, right, that if price is able to break them, then we will be good. I think those are nice areas for price to go. Hmm. Okay. That was noisy. That was crazy. I think we will live with this. I'm not sure what we should do. Should we end up with a winning day, even though it's not much? At least one of the most difficult days so far. Living on a positive note, I think. Not bad at all. But with price breaking so nicely our zones, we could be building on the idea of. Let me just do this really quick. So, what the expert says is hold until the close, right? The close is here. Usually, price keeps going up until the close. So, if we were going to hold until the close, the momentum of the day will be going like to get to test that line. Right? Let me just switch the color of that line. So I like that line. We could be expecting the momentum of the day get there, but of course this in the structure could be there. So I'm late for my kids for school. I'm just deciding what should we do. Of course Euro NCD just broke two major places, and GBP NCD is trying to break this second major place. Since the stop loss is well placed, I think I'm going to leave it like that for the time being, and in 1 hour that I come back from picking kids from school, then I will see how things evolved. Of course, this thing doesn't let us do more than one page, right? This one doesn't show two screens, but mm, how to leave to get my kids. Alright, well, live trading at its best. Leaving. I will leave that on the table because things have stop loss. The bias is still to the upside, and we still have 2.5 three actually, 3.5 hours for price to keep moving. So I will leave right now to go get the kids from school. Um, so let me just lock the microphone and leave you with the screen open. All right. Major breakouts happening. We're going to take partials on this one because I have seen so many cases when prices around there and price just bounces back and we take nothing. So when prices try to get to take profit too, I usually take profits. Um, this pair is not giving us the parameters just right there. We take these profits and now we are just having this GPNCD one more. Oh, somehow we entered more by accident. One should have, but okay. Thankfully it went on our way, and now what we're just gonna do is going to see if
Fíjate la mochila de afuera.
¿afuera de dónde?
De la casa.
¿Ya la metiste?
La vamos a meter. Te vine a pedir las llaves.
¿Cómo que afuera a ver? Métela, por favor.
Sí.
All right. Live trading, right? Live trading. On this one, what I'm gonna do is just evaluate if we want to take this profit or not. I think it's 1:22 p.m. I just want to take the profits on this one. Let me see. Surely redrawn or not? I don't think it's going to get that high. And usually we don't like to keep trades open. I'm just gonna take the profits. Hopefully they just saw everything of why we took the decisions that we took. But let me just take the screenshot of the balance of the account after ending the day. So if the day started with something about the day started at 81,082. Let me see the screenshot really quick. The screenshot that we took of the balance, right? Today 9:24 a.m. it was 81,192. That was the balance. And now the ending balance is 181,492. Right. Yes. So now let's do the math. Let's do the math really quick. I mean, calculator. The calculator, right? Let's just do this quick. 1492 menos. I mean, 1492 menos 81,192. Claro que sí, that's a $300 increase. So let's do 300 entre 100 por 81,192. $300 por 100 entre 81.192.37%. Today we do plus 0.37%. Today plus 0.37% increase. Beautiful. 0.37%. We are done for the day. Kids are in the house. But good day. Good day. 0.37 is not bad. Of course, we don't know what else is going to happen on these trades. But at least we were taking profits. No, hijo. So feeling content about this, about the time we took profits. Let's just keep going with our lives, and then I will trade back again tomorrow, 9 a.m. UTC minus 6. Goodbye.